What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Break NL, getting ready for our second break of the night. We're supposed to go first. 3-box mini break, number 635. Here's your teams. We're going for our teams now live. Good luck. It is 9:34. Craig down to Kevin. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. We're in a little bit of a rush, sorry. Third timestamp is 9:34. It should be 9:35. There you go, 9:35. And last and final on the teams. We do have a pick your team later tonight too. It's almost half full, so we'll see how we go. 9:35 and 9:35 it is. So let's copy these over. We have Edmonton to Detroit. Edmonton to Detroit and the Rangers. The Rangers to Tampa Bay. There's your teams. Let's do the names. 9:35 still. Craig, Kevin, good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3, 9:35, 9:35. Last and final. There you go. Baby crying in the background. We got fourth and final timestamp on the video is at 9:35 and just turned 9:36. So here we go. Joe, top spot. Mr. Sanford, you're at the halfway. Wow, Joe. Last spot mojo, brother. And then we got Jeffrey to Robert. There's your teams. We'll post them. We'll see you soon. Best of luck. We're live in 25 minutes.